Hello, I'm Barry Hochfelder, editor of Supply and Demand Chain Executive Magazine. Our mission is to provide intelligence and decision-making information for executives and management professionals as they enable their supply and demand chains for competitive advantage. Today's market faces limited environmental resources, tighter profit margins, and increased competitiveness. Many global companies are increasingly focusing on green to build more sustainable supply chains and mitigate the impact of their business processes on the environment. Each year, Supply and Demand Chain Executive honors those companies that enforce green practices as a core function of their operations. In our 5th annual Green Supply Chain Awards, we took green to sea as ocean-going carriers targeted marine sustainability. The 3 lines we're honoring are Evergreen Line, Horizon Lines, and Maersk Line. They are leading the charge in deploying energy-efficient ways to move cargo long distances while sustaining environmental protection strategies, especially the marine atmosphere. For example, Evergreen Line, which was founded in 1968, has had an environmental policy since day one. The company monitors every aspect of vessel operations to ensure it is exceeding the guidelines required from the nearly 100 worldwide ports and communities its vessels sail into. Horizon Lines emphasizes environmental excellence through conservation techniques, waste stream management, system upgrades, and voluntary compliance. Neither United States nor international pollution prevention regulations require vessels to treat accumulated water in the cargo holds before pumping it into the sea. Horizon Lines voluntarily modified some of its vessels to provide for the processing of this water prior to discharge. Since 2002, Maersk Line has worked closely with major shippers and other carriers as part of the Clean Cargo Working Group. This deploys standardized methods for calculating and reporting the carbon footprint of shipping and provides a protocol for third-party verification of emissions factors. In the past decade, Maersk reduced the carbon footprint of containers shipped by 15.6%, with a goal of 25% reduction by 2020. Moving inland, we're also honoring a number of companies that make sustainability a large part of the supply chain and their company-wide practices. They have learned that the benefits of being green also can benefit the bottom line. Not only is it good for the planet, it's good for business. So now, here are the companies we're proud to name as Supply and Demand Chain's Green Supply Chain Award winners for 2012. Agility, Cascades, CAS Information Systems, Frialsa, Global 4PL, Herman Services, IAS, Inmar, Kane is Able, Logiserve, ProRizen, Source One Management Services, SysPro, T-Mobile, Tyco. Others include Excelos, AFN LLC, Aerostream, Bassware, KDEC Global, CaseStack, Celestica, Container and Pooling Solutions, Comb Inc., Crown Equipment, DCL, DHL Express, eBuilder, Elemica, Envista, Forte, Genesis Technology Solutions, IHS, Interworkings, Insight Inc., Invoiceware International, Kenco, LayerSaver, ModusLink Global Solutions, the McGraw-Hill Companies, National Retail Systems Inc., New York City Housing Authority, Next Generation Logistics, Novation, Ocean Spray, Payload Cargo Protection Systems, Performance Team, Procurian, Quest Resource Management Group, Ryder System Inc., Saddle Creek Logistics Services, Ship Express Inc., Skyworks Solutions, Spinnaker Management Group, Vodafone, Amber Road, C.H. Robinson, DSC Logistics, Emirates Sky Cargo, E2 Open, Extol International, GT Nexus, High Tech Material Handling, iAsset.com, JV Kelly Group, Logiserve, Peridium, and SDI.